In this video, we will see how to make the landing gear for Hobby Science remote control planes. Now there is this landing gear rod given with all the planes. Like this is a very uh, hardened steel rod. Now to make this, what you do is first measure the length of this rod. Okay, this is 30 plus is about 35 centimeters in length, 35 centimeters long. So what you do is keep this and then mark the midpoint of this rod, the middle point. Now the middle point is, this entire length is 36 centimeters, so 37 centimeters, sorry 35.5 centimeters, so middle point is somewhere over 17 and a half. Okay, so I mark that with a marker pen. Now the point where it is middle, keep the cutting plier like this. Yeah, this is the middle point. Okay, now with the thumb just bend it in the shape of a V. Yeah, something like this. See this? Maybe I'll just give you a white background, something like this. I've bent it in the shape of a V. This is the middle point. I've bent it in a V. The angle may be about 40 to 50 degrees. Okay, maybe around 30 to 40 degrees you can keep the angle. Now after bending it like that, what you do is, these two tips are there. From that tip what you do is measure about 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters, mark it here. Okay, and this also just 4 centimeters, mark it out from the outside. From here 4 centimeter, from here 4 centimeter. Now take the cutting plier again, hold it near the place where you marked it and bend it outwards like this. I'll show you something like this. Okay, like this. Okay. It may be slightly coming out, but don't worry about that. Just bend it. Later on we can twist, and this side also bend it outwards like that. Something like this. Okay, now you have bent it like this. From the top you just see whether the bends are on the same line. If it is not at the same line, just use your finger to twist and then get the correct alignment. Use the cutting plier and to get the correct alignment between both the sides like this. See? Now this is the second bend. Now the third step is, first step is making a V bend from the middle. Second step is making an outward bend 4 centimeters from the tip on both the sides. And the third step is, from this V measure about 5 centimeters or 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 to 5 centimeters. Mark it here. Yeah, and here also measure about 4.5 centimeters and mark that place. Okay, yes, you have marked it, both the sides. Now hold it there, and then now holding it like this, bend it backwards like this. You see? Yeah, one side I have bent. Like this. Are you able to see clearly? Okay. Now this side also bend it backwards. One side I have bent. This side also bend it backwards like this. Okay. Yeah. Now this is bent, but it is a little twisted. Yeah. Okay. So now it is like this, but if you see from here, it is all misaligned, but you can correct it with your finger by twisting it into the correct alignment. You getting it? Yeah. Okay, so that's how you twist it into shape, and when you keep it like this, so this is how the landing gear bending is done. Now after this, what you do is attach the wheel here, insert the wheel, one wheel here and one other wheel here, and then apply some thread or put some glue at the tip so that the wheel doesn't come out. Okay, so that's how you bend the landing gear wire. Once you have bent the wire like this, now next step is take the landing wheels which are there. There will be 4 wheels actually. See, the landing gear, to make it, you have to first bend the landing gear wire, this one which we have seen, and now to use these wheels, there will be 4 wheels given. Attach these 2 wheels together. Before attaching, what you need to do is we need to also make a wheel axle, because if you put this wire directly, this steel rod directly into this hole, it will damage the wheel while heavy landing. So you have to make a wheel axle. To make the wheel axle, what you can do is to just take this barbecue skewer, insert it, and make the hole a little bigger. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. Now to make the wheel axle, you can use a earbud, or if the earbud is too small for this rod, what you can do is take a scrap piece of foam. This is a scrap piece of foam. We can make a axle by this thick paper on the foam. Just remove this. This is a waste piece of foam. I have removed this paper, as you saw. Now just keep it like this on the landing gear wire, and then just roll it. Make a small roll, paper roll. Yeah, something like this. Make it tight. Yeah, and then roll it about a few times. So you get a small pipe kind of an arrangement. Like you see this. Yes, this one. Here is a small pipe kind of a thing is coming. So maybe roll it once or twice. 2 rolls you can, 2 loops you can roll it, and then take the hot melt glue gun, and around here you just apply very less amount of glue. Apply glue, and then just again keep rolling a little bit and hold it for a few seconds till the glue dries. Yeah, what I have done is around this here I have applied glue here, and just wait for it to dry, and once it has dried, just cut it off here. Okay, now this glue has dried, so what you take is take the knife and around that exact corner just cut it out. Yes, okay, so now it is done. Now what you do is take this and insert this. This is like a axle now. It's a strong one, so insert it slowly into that hole. Yeah, into the wheel like this. Yeah, and make it easier, make the hole bigger with the barbecue skewer like this. Make the hole bigger, and again just do a dry fit insert like this. So you have a axle, wheel axle. Yeah, now what you do is remove one, and now you need to fix it tight. So apply glue on the axle also, a little bit on the axle and a little bit here outside. Yes, and now before the glue dries, just fix the other wheel together tight against the wheels. Let it be jammed tight against each other. Now what happens is let it dry, and now if you put the rod, the landing gear rod, you see this, it's freely moving, and now this is a safe and the wheel also will not have too much of free movement. So This is how you make the landing gear wheel preparation. If you don't have a thick big earbud, you can use an axle. You can prepare an axle just by taking scrap piece of removing the paper from the scrap piece of foam. Okay, so now let us, after this we'll see how to attach this. We have already we'll see how to attach this to the plane. This is a earbud. These tubes will act as axles. What you do is take an earbud and then cut it. Now this hole, insert it into that, yeah, like this. Okay, insert two into one earbud like this. Okay, give a gap, and what you do is apply glue onto one like this, just a little, and then insert it into the earbud and press it hard like this. So what we are trying to do is attach two wheels to make it a single piece. Now take this and insert this rod into the earbud like this. Yeah, same here. Okay, now the wheels are fixed. Okay, to prevent it from coming out, what you can do is you can just take this and then at the tip of that iron rod just give a little bit of a ball kind of glue like this. It will not come out once it dries. This side also. This landing gear is done. So this is how usually we do landing gear for all our Hobby Science remote control models. Let us see how to fix the landing gear to the plane next. To fix the landing gear, take the plane, yeah, and fix these two sticks here. This is the landing gear sticks, these two. You see this? This is the trainer plane, and two landing gear sticks are inserted through the fuselage. Okay, now take this landing gear which has been built. Okay, keep it like this. The second stick is there. In that, take one rubber band, put this here like this, and then around the V, just keep it like this. Okay, yeah, take a slightly bigger rubber band for this one. Around the V, just put it like this. Okay, and keep it and rotate it once, and again pull it back, and again around the V you just put it here in the stick. So this side, that tip of the V is fixed. Now to fix this, what you do is take another rubber band, pull down the thing, and then pull it over this side and then keep it here. Now when you do it, the landing gear is fixed. You see this? It will also give a bouncy motion. You can see it now. Yeah, because it's the rubber band is giving that kind of a bouncy feeling. The landing gear will be acting like a suspension also for the plane. So that's how you build the landing gear also. Thank you.